Every day, hospitals and healthcare centers face a growing challenge: the need for efficient, continuous patient monitoring. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), deaths from non-communicable diseases (NCDs) in India rose from 2.3 million in 2000 to nearly 3.8 million in 2016. This trend is expected to persist, with projections indicating that NCDs will account for nearly 75% of all deaths in India by 2030. This growing prevalence poses serious health risks and strains India's healthcare system and economy. Automated and regular vital signs monitoring is essential in India, not only for the early detection of NCDs, which helps mitigate complications and reduce their long-term impact, but also to combat India's growing healthcare burden. Considering the growing trend of NCD, continuous health monitoring is essential in India to detect early signs of NCDs before they escalate into severe complications. Continuous monitoring empowers individuals with regular health updates, enabling timely intervention and reducing the long-term burden of NCDs. However, due to the rising healthcare burden in India, the healthcare workers spend countless hours manually recording routine vital signs, blood pressure, glucose levels, oxygen saturation, pulse rate, and body temperature, moving from one patient to another, charting every number, every minute, every day, as in part of healthcare investigation. But in this demanding routine, time becomes the most precious resource. Manual measurements not only lead to exhaustion and fatigue, but also increase the risk of data entry errors, inconsistencies, and delayed response during critical moments of health deterioration. As patient loads rise and the need for precision grows, traditional monitoring methods can no longer keep up. Healthcare systems require a smarter, faster, and more reliable solution, one that ensures accuracy, consistency, and timely care without overburdening the caregivers who make it all possible. And that's where the story of MEDBOT begins, the medical robot, an intelligent healthcare assistant designed to revolutionize patient monitoring forever. Imagine a world where healthcare is not just reactive, but predictive. Where technology doesn't replace care, it enhances compassion. Welcome to the future of healthcare. Welcome MEDBOT, an AI-powered medical robot designed to transform the way we diagnose, monitor, and care for patients. The MEDBOT is a next-generation autonomous healthcare robot that bridges the gap between technology and compassionate patient care, combining robotics, biomedical sensing, and artificial intelligence into a single, autonomous platform. The front panel of the MEDBOT features various buttons to operate the vital sign measurement kit, allowing patients to self-record their vital sign data. The vital sign measurement kit consists of different sensor modules designed to measure, record, and transmit vital sign data to remote electronic health records (EHR) for storage. Designed to perform continuous, non-invasive monitoring of vital signs, it represents a significant advancement in affordable and accessible medical technology through predictive diagnosis of a wide range of chronic diseases. The MEDBOT is equipped with a surveillance camera that tracks patient movements and has a 7 degrees of freedom (DOF) robotic arms, each fitted with a clawed end effector for various care tasks. It is capable of continuous patient monitoring and interactive caregiving in clinical and home care environments. The MEDBOT embodies multidisciplinary innovation, integrating AI-driven analytics, IoT-based connectivity, and ergonomic design to transform conventional healthcare into a data-driven, patient-centric ecosystem. Through its intelligent operation and human interactive design, the MEDBOT marks a major step toward the future of smart, inclusive, and sustainable healthcare. The healthcare staff conducts patient observations remotely using a teleconferencing screen, either from the patient's home or clinic bedside. Each patient is assigned a unique ID embedded in a QR code. This QR code is scanned by the system to retrieve or create the patient's personal file in the Electronic Health Record (EHR). Once the QR code is scanned, the patient's identity and associated medical profile are automatically verified and linked to the EHR interface. This step initiates communication between the patient profile and the MEDBOT, preparing it to receive real-time physiological data transmitted from individual sensor modules. When the patient scans their finger on the first PPG-based sensor module, it records the pulse rate, blood oxygen saturation, and blood glucose level, displaying the results in 3 separate columns on a Google Sheets document, visible on a remotely placed computer monitor connected wirelessly to the MEDBOT. Next, the patient uses an infrared, IR, non-contact temperature sensor by scanning their finger, which records the body temperature. The results are displayed on both the screen and the monitor, in degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit, each in separate columns. The patient can scan any part of their body, including the face and palm, in non-contact modes for accurate results. After completing the recording of body temperature, pulse rate, blood sugar level, and blood oxygen saturation, the patient prepares to measure his blood pressure. With a blood pressure monitoring cuff already worn on one arm, the patient initiates the measurement with the press of a button. He patiently waits as the automated sphygmomanometer activates, inflating the cuff to prepare for measurements. As the cuff deflates, the sensor detects signals through its signal processing and amplification circuitry to identify the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. These readings are displayed on an OLED screen, then transferred to the Google Sheets document in the remotely placed monitor and subsequently stored in the EHR. The microprocessor analyzes the physiological data collected separately from different sensor modules using an AI-based machine learning algorithm to detect any medical abnormalities in the patient. Based on the physiological parameters, the MEDBOT can declare the patient fit or suggest consultation with doctor for any medical abnormalities. The interactions between the patients and healthcare staff, along with the collected data, are recorded and stored for future reference and to address any medical complications. MEDBOT offers a cutting-edge medical innovation through a breakthrough in modern healthcare technology, enabling the early diagnosis of a wide range of chronic diseases long before symptoms arise, using only the vital signs measurement data. The Vital Sign Measurement (VSM) kit, integrated into the MEDBOT, measures vital signs data, such as blood pressure, blood glucose, blood oxygen concentration, pulse rate, and body temperature, all non-invasively and autonomously, one after the other, and predicts diseases trends long before symptoms appear. MEDBOT doesn't just collect data, it understands it. Using machine learning algorithms, the MEDBOT detects subtle anomalies in vital signs, correlating them with potential indicators of chronic diseases. This allows the MEDBOT to identify various medical conditions early, enabling timely interventions, personalized treatment plans, and proactive healthcare that saves both time and lives. This intelligent analysis fosters predictive healthcare, particularly for those at risk of non-communicable diseases. The MEDBOT uses PPG-based sensors for non-invasive measurement of blood glucose, pulse rate, and blood oxygen saturation, alongside an infrared non-contact temperature sensor for body temperature. It includes an automated sphygmomanometer for quick blood pressure readings. The MEDBOT eliminates the need for invasive blood tests, allowing for convenient and regular health checks and early detection of chronic diseases, which can enhance survival rates at a low cost. The MEDBOT conducts scheduled automated vital sign measurements and other patient care tasks, such as drug delivery and rehabilitation support. It enhances patient recovery tracking, improving resource management within healthcare. This streamlines workflows, boosts operational efficiency, and reduces healthcare costs for patients and hospitals. Each side of the MEDBOT is equipped with a 7 degrees of freedom robotic arm, allowing for human-like flexibility. Its two-fingered robotic claws serve as versatile end effectors or grippers, capable of handling a variety of objects, from cups and medicine bottles to diagnostic tools. The robotic arm with end effector gripper is designed to automate bedside care tasks, such as adjusting bedding and positioning comfort aids. It also assists with patient needs by serving water, beverages, or meals and delivering prescribed medications to designated bedside locations. The MEDBOT acts as a collaborative healthcare partner, helping nurses with repetitive, time-sensitive tasks. It can work autonomously or under supervision and serves as a continuous caregiver, reducing the workload on staff while ensuring ongoing patient monitoring. The MEDBOT is designed with engaging features like the patient interactive head module and a surveillance and tracking system. Its head unit has animated robotic eyes that express emotions like attention, happiness, and empathy, enhancing patient comfort. The 3D neck mechanism, powered by multi-axis servo motors, allows for smooth head movements such as nodding and turning, promoting realistic interaction. The MEDBOT is a wheeled robotic vehicle designed for autonomous and collaborative mobility in hospitals. Omnidirectional wheels and motion tracking sensors facilitate on-floor navigation and patient monitoring. The MEDBOT can autonomously follow patients, assist them on short walks, or accompany healthcare staff during rounds. Thus, in a nutshell, the MEDBOT, with its unique features, has the potential to revolutionize hospital healthcare services, as well as self-healthcare management in the future. The MEDBOT has completed initial clinical trials to assess its accuracy and safety in real-world healthcare settings. Trials involved 30 patients aged 30 to 70, measuring vital signs like blood pressure, glucose levels, oxygen saturation, pulse rate, and temperature. All sensor modules, except the blood glucose sensor, showed maximum errors below 4% and correlated well with conventional devices, indicating diagnostic reliability. The non-invasive blood glucose sensor had an average error of 13%, likely due to skin thickness variations. Patient feedback highlighted its ease of use and comfort. The MEDBOT prioritizes affordability and accessibility, bringing advanced healthcare technologies to all. With automated monitoring and AI-driven health analysis, the MEDBOT alleviates pressure on medical staff and infrastructure, making it a sustainable solution for community clinics, rural health centers, and home care. This innovation paves the way for equitable, affordable, preventive, and proactive technology-enabled healthcare for everyone. Thank you for watching, and drop in your comments.